guys, it's CBDB here, and today we are going to be cleaning the Hookless shower curtain liner. Now, this liner is fabric, so I've had this for a really long time, and this has saved me so much money. It's not plastic, like I said, it's actually fabric, so it saved me like hundreds of dollars. Had it for years, and this is the only liner I've actually used. I want to say I had this liner for about 4 years. And this is the same way. I've cleaned it over and over and over again, and it gets it spotless every single time. No more mold, no more soap residue, no more of that stuff. I've tried several other ways to clean it, but this is the absolute best way. So if you guys want to watch how I clean it, keep on watching. Okay, so as I said, this liner is fabric, so it does require a little bit more elbow grease, if you know what I'm talking about. Now, let me show you guys a close-up of what the liner looks like right now. Okay, so this is quite disgusting. Don't judge me, but I mean, this is the average, typical shower curtain when you are ready to wash it or get rid of it or buy a new one. And you can see the mold at the bottom. It's just nasty looking, and you just really need to get this cleaned. Okay, so first step here. We're going to go ahead and unclip all of these off the actual shower curtain because we're only cleaning the liner today. Now, sometimes I do clean the whole shower curtain, but because it's not that nasty, I'm not going to bother with it. We're just going to focus on the liner. You actually need 2 tools, okay? Well, they're not even tools. It's just 2 essentials that you really need, which is a bucket or a pail and some bleach. And I get the concentrated low splash. You can use whatever you want, but I just usually use what I have. Now, I got my shower liner unattached, and I'm just going to leave it right there. It's dry right now, so if it's wet, you might want to put it in the tub. But as for right now, what I do with this is I put a little bit of this bleach or whatever you got, and I just pour it in here, just a little bit, not too much. I'm going to get the bottom of the liner in there first because that's the nasty part. And the reason I do that is because the bleach gets it and attacks the mold a lot faster this way. And so I put it in there like that, and I get the hot water running. And I just fill it all the way up. Now that the water is in there, I usually push this all the way down, the shower curtain all the way down, so it's fully submerged under the water. I don't recommend you do this with your hands just because it's bleach, of course. I usually have some gloves or something else, and I usually try to always push it in. I know it's going to float up, but like that's why I put the bottom part in there first, because I know that that part is going to be taken care of because it's under the water and in the bleach. And that's why I do what I do, because the top part of it will float up, and the top part of it's not that dirty. So we're going to let this sit in this bleach water for a few hours, and then we'll come back and drain it. Alright, so it's been soaking for a few hours, and what I do now is I just drain it. Make sure you have your glove on because you don't want to be touching this stuff. You drain all this water. And I just give it a good rinse with cold water. And depending on how bad your shower curtain is with mold, you can always check to see if the mold's all gone. So this is the bottom of it, and I don't see any mold or residue or anything like that, so we are good to go. The next step is I usually put this into the washing machine on just a quick spin. Okay, so we're in my laundry room now, and I just dump this all into the washer just like that, and I just put it on a quick wash, which is like a quick spin or whatever you want. And I do put it on warm or hot water depending on how dirty it is. Warm is gonna be fine today. Again, quick wash, and I just press start. Now I don't put any detergent in there because I've already used bleach, so I just do water. It's all done. We're gonna take it out of the washer just like so, and it's already spun a whole bunch, so it's pretty dry right now. And I just take it like this and I go straight to the shower. Now that we got our clean shower liner, we're gonna clip it right back onto our curtain. So this is what I showed you guys earlier. This part right here where it's just filled with mold and mildew and stuff like that is completely clean now. There's no trace or residue of any of the mold or mildew. So that's how you clean your shower curtain liner. It's really simple, it's really easy. It just takes a little time. I will say that you do need about 4 hours of cleaning time reserved for the shower liner if you guys only have one shower in the house, because it does take a little bit of time to actually, the bleach to actually clean this. So you will need a little bit of time. I usually do it on the weekends, like in the morning and the weekends. But in a nutshell, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.